Go 3, 2, 1.
Okay, go.
Forcible entry entertainer is the formal name for an eviction proceeding. They are also known as FEDs. Other language that might be used in the courtroom that is unfamiliar to you is plaintiff and defendant. Plaintiff is the landlord and defendant is the tenant. At the eviction hearing, there will be many people in the courtroom. You will be seated in the gallery. At the eviction hearings, all eviction hearings for that day are scheduled at the same time. Once the judge is on the bench, he or she will call out the list of cases to see who is here. It'll be very much like a roll call. When the judge calls your name, please stand up and let the judge know you are here. If you cannot hear what the judge is saying, please ask a marshal for assistance. If the judge goes through all the names and yours is not called, please let the marshal know. The judge may ask you to discuss the case with the other party to try to come to an agreement. If the other party has an attorney, you will discuss it with the attorney. The judge may also order you to try mediation. At mediation, you will talk with the other party about the issues. The mediator does not decide the case or make any recommendations to the judge. The mediator is there to help you discuss the issues that brought you to court. Mediation will take place at your forcible entry entertainer hearing. Mediation will be in a private room outside of the courtroom. The judge will point out the mediator and you can follow them to the room. If you do come to an agreement with or without mediation, you need to discuss the agreement with the judge. Go back into the courtroom and have a seat in the gallery. Once your name is called again, you can let the judge know that you have an agreement. You can also let the marshal know that you've come to an agreement and they may tell the judge. In any situation, if you did try mediation or you did or didn't discuss the case with the other party, if you don't have an agreement, a hearing will be held that day. At the hearing, you'll come to the front of the courtroom. There will be 2 tables, one for each party. At the hearing, you'll be able to testify under oath. That means you'll swear to tell the truth. You'll sit in a witness box and be able to tell the judge your side of the story. You can also have witnesses testify, meaning you can ask them questions, but the other side will also be able to ask them questions. You also can present physical evidence to the judge, documents, pictures, or anything of that kind. Once the judge has heard both sides, the judge will decide the case. That will be the conclusion of your forcible entry entertainer hearing. A few last tips. When you enter the courtroom, please turn off your cell phones. You need to pay attention to what the judge is saying. Again, if you cannot hear what the judge is saying, please let the marshal know immediately. Lastly, do not leave the courthouse until your case has been finalized. Thank you and have a good day.